Hey everyone, welcome back to the Deep End. My name is Brendan, and today we're going to be going over how to enjoy our latest video, Volume 10, which is a VR slash 360-degree video that we shot on the GoPro Max. So initially I'm going to pull up here is how to watch it on the iPhones or your Androids on the YouTube app. The best way to essentially enjoy watching it is putting it in landscape mode and obviously pressing play. But yeah, go ahead, press play, and as the video is playing, you can physically move the phone in your hands, and however you move, the video will actually track that motion, and it'll show in the video, what you're moving towards. You can look up, look down, any direction you want. You could also use your finger on the screen to swipe. There's a little bit more blur on the iPhone and the Androids that I've seen when you swipe, so the cleanest motion and the best quality you're going to get is physically moving it yourself. Next, I'm going to show you how to actually watch on your desktop, because you can enjoy a VR video on the desktop. You can either drag the screen with your mouse. Like I said before, like the finger with the iPhone, it creates a lot of motion blur, more than we intended to be in the video or how the video captured. But you can also use the WASD directional keys, and it's a smoother experience when you're enjoying VR videos. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys sort of enjoy our VR videos just a little bit more. We plan on putting more of these out in the future. This is our first dive into it. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy Volume 10. Make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, whatever you want. Me and Nick both appreciate the support you've all given us over the last 6 months. We've had a lot of fun creating these videos, sort of getting away from being camera shy and showing our faces more as the volumes went on. But we have big plans for 2021, so be on the lookout for that. And once again, guys, enjoy Volume 10. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one.